ready to go to a nap. We gotta wind down.
Yeah.
How do we wind down?
Say hi to Daddy. Oh. See those big blue eyes? That's our chill boy.
He's all nice and calm at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Turn this thing back on in 12 hours.
And we will be wide awake. Wide awake. He's a good boy. And we now weigh 7 pounds, 6 ounces.
First pediatrician visit. Shrunk a little bit.
You got fuss?
Shrunk a little bit.
You got fuss? Oh, maybe. Stretch out. We're getting our first little fat rolls. Getting our first little fat rolls. Okay, it's time to eat and go to bed.